Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius, fire sign. This is July weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. What are the messages for Sagittarius? Under the deck, 3 of Wands, 2 of Cups, and 9 of Cups, and 6 of Cups. Lot of water energy, lot of love, but love in the air. And love is mutual between you and your person, and this is soulmate connection. And they are also thinking about you a lot, and you also thinking about them a lot. This is a strong soulmate connection. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other, and your wishes are going to be granted in near future in the month of July, especially 9 of Cups, wish fulfillment, and 3 of Wands. I think you turn your back from your person. For some, you still waiting on them. You want this person in your life, but you are not making any move. Still, only you are waiting, but not making any move. For some, you both are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. So let's see your reading. Recent past, death, page of cups, and 3 of swords. Yeah, you both were separated. Yeah, there was some communication between you and your person in recent past. It's all about they say sorry, I can't continue with you, I can't take this responsibility, I have so many problems, that type of situation they told to you. So that's why it was ended. Maybe they are told to apology also, please forgive me, I'm leaving you, that type of situation. You are heartbroken, and yeah, it was ended between you and your person. Then present, Four of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and King of Wands. It's your energy, Sagittarius. You bounce back again. Yes, you're still feeling missed opportunity, you're still feeling missing them, but you are concentrating on your career because Ace of Pentacles. You want to create more money, you want to focus on your abundance because you want to overcome this pain, you want to let go of this pain. That's why you started focusing on your career and you are taking your control back. See here, King of Wands, it's you, Sagittarius. So, yeah, even though you are missing them, but you are not showing because you are mature enough to hide your emotions or to control your emotions. Now you are taking your control back. Then future, the Hangman, 8 of Wands, and 4 of Swords. Yes, you are healing and you are doing meditation to heal yourself. There is some spiritual awakening and there is lots of communication is coming. Maybe in these recent times you are talking with your family or your friends or your special person, someone definitely, but there is lots of communication is coming in future. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio. So, Sagittarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Ace of Cups, the Fool, Five of Pentacles. Yes, in past they neglected you, maybe they cold shouldering you, but now they want a brand new beginnings with you. They're thinking about brand new beginnings with you. And Ace of Cups, they do love you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Queen of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, and King of Cups here. And another deck, 8 of Pentacles and 7 of Swords and the Tower. So 8 of Pentacles. I think in past they are in and out of your life. There is no commitment, there is no stability. They always keep putting you in waiting mode because 7 of Swords with the Tower, they played games with you, especially mind games. 7 of Swords. I think there are some trust issues between you and your person. Now they have regrets. The Tower, right now they're going through Tower moments. See, 5 of Cups. They are suffering in silence. Yes. Now they are feeling sad what they did to you. Because you are done. Yeah, they are thinking about you that you are very independent woman. Then you are very career oriented person or woman or man. And Wheel of Fortune. Maybe they are waiting for right time because circumstances are not in their control, and King of Cups, but they do love you, but they can't do anything. That type of situation, Sagittarius. So let's see their intentions. Queen of Swords, 9 of Pentacles, 10 of Swords. See, right now your person want a rebirth in this connection, but they are not making any move because right now maybe they're concentrating on their career. Yeah, right now they're not willing to talk because Queen of Swords energy. Maybe they scared for rejection also. See, 9 of Wands with 4 of Swords. Definitely they scared. And 4 of Swords, they are also healing and thinking about you a lot. And the Star, yes, wishful, they are wishing for this connection, but they're not putting any effort. That is the issue here. They're wishing, again they're wishing and they're concentrating on their career. They do love you, but without any effort, it is not going anywhere. That's why maybe you're fed up with this same energy again and again. That's why maybe you are focusing on your career, not giving any attention to this connection. 10 of Swords. Yes. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, 4 of Cups. They are suffering. They are missing. They are realizing. 8 of Swords. They are stuck, but they are realizing that you are their soulmate or they want you back, but they're feeling stuck. Maybe the family could be the issue here. Family involved here, and for some children's also involved here. But 2 of Cups. The love between you and your person is mutual. Maybe you also cut off this person from your life, but you're still thinking about them. And right now your person feeling stuck and they're suffering in silence, Sagittarius. Four of Wands. For some, you both could be in twin flame journey or soulmate journey. Yeah, there is a lot of drama. You fed up with this drama. And Chariot, that's why you decided to move on. For some, and you're focusing on yourself. Yes, but you're still thinking about them. Lots of you are in long distance relationship. So let's see mutual. Knight of Cups, Justice. See, they are coming back, but you are taking your control back. They are coming back for second chances for some, but it will take some time. But they do love you, but they're very, very slow moving energy and divine timing. Wheel of Fortune is here. Yes, love is there, but love is in the air. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. You are the only one for me. Decision time. I'm crazy about you. Religious factors. Maybe religious factors affecting your love life. I want to be honest with you. Passion. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Surrender to the divine, full moon. So if you're not getting any answers for your questions, just surrender those problems to the divine. and it's time to take action, new moon in Aries. So if you want to take action towards your person, this is the message for you. It's time to take action, especially when new moon in Aries. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.